Boy, that looked cold up there. Did you see? And some of those shots looked like the wind was really blowing.
That's the difference between what happens in the valley and what can happen in the mountains. So you always got to be ready because you never know. When we were up there doing our live shots, when was that, guys? Was that Monday?
Yeah, it was
on Monday. There was nothing. I mean, not a puff of wind here in the valley, but up there the winds were gusting 20, 25 miles per hour. It was chilly.
A little nippy, huh?
A little bit, just a little bit. What a fantastic stretch of weather we have seen, folks. This was really very beneficial. In fact, speaking of Bogus Basin, you'll be able to see that the snow started there last night and it continued through much of the day. Now, Bogus picking up about half of what they had up at Brundage, but still, that's a nice amount. And with additional storms that are on the horizon, what can I say? This is looking very promising for our snowpack here over the next few days. So here's some of the snowfall totals. Brundage again, 11 inches, Bogus Basin 6, Sun Valley had 6, thank goodness, Pomeril an inch, and then Caldwell had 13/100ths of an inch of precipitation, and Boise Airport had 11/100ths of an inch of precipitation. Anytime you can get about 1/10 of an inch of rain here in the Treasure Valley, that is considered a good soaking. All right, so 48 degrees right now in Boise, 51 degrees. Look how mild it is in Nampa. Look at how mild it is in Caldwell at 51, 48 degrees in Ontario, 46 degrees in Baker City. Just amazing. All this mild air that we're seeing in the Treasure Valley is courtesy of where the air is coming from. Watch this train of moisture, just a very persistent stream of moisture. We'll call this the parade of storms lining up out here in the Pacific Ocean. And all of this moisture, this is all subtropical in nature, meaning the origin is coming in from the subtropics. And then it gets caught up in the jet stream, and the jet stream pulls it in our direction. So periods of rain, on again, off again, all the way through the weekend. And yes, we are talking about more snow for the mountains. Now, snow levels are probably going to be up around 5,000 feet. So that means that it's going to be very close to the rain snow line. But I think for the most part, the bases of our ski resorts will continue to see snow because their bases are up around between 5,500 to 5,600 feet above sea level. So that would be good. Lots of snow expected for the local mountains. So temperature readings, the high today, 51 degrees. The low last night, super mild at 44 degrees. There's the average now of 38. We've turned the corner not only on sunset times, but now the temperatures from this point on will continue to get warmer and warmer as daytime highs are going to be climbing. Here's what's happening tonight around midnight tonight. Little scattering of showers possible. Could enjoy some sunshine in the morning. Now let's go to tomorrow evening. Here comes the next big surge of moisture moving in. So let's say increasing clouds throughout the day, and then the rain and mountain snow could commence as early as tomorrow night around midnight through the day on Saturday, with waves of moisture working its way right across the Treasure Valley and throughout much of the southwestern part of the state. 7-day forecast then for the valley. Let's go with some sunshine in the morning, but watch out for a chance of rain tomorrow night. Periods of rain in the forecast on Saturday. Another front heads this way on Sunday. It too will generate periods of rain, and then we dry things out for a little bit next week. Up in the mountains, we will see snow commencing late tomorrow. Snow is likely above 5,000 feet on Saturday. Snow is likely above 5,000 feet on Sunday, with another chance of snow again around the middle of next week.